Are you struggling to manage your money or find yourself living paycheck to paycheck? Imagine having control over your finances, being able to save for things you want, and reducing financial stress. Today, I'm going to share with you a step-by-step guide on how to budget and save money effectively. So let's go dive right in. Step number 1 is to track your spending. Record expenses and keep track of all your expenses for a month to understand where your money goes. Step number 2 is to set financial goals. Short-term goals, these could include saving for a vacation, paying off small debts, or creating an emergency fund. For long-term goals, these might include saving for retirement, buying a house, or funding education. We have step number 3, create a budget. Calculate income and sum up all your sources of income, including salary, bonuses, and any other earnings. Step number 4 is reviewing and adjusting your budget. Your financial situation and goals may change over time, so it's important to review your budget regularly and make any necessary adjustments. Step number 5, reduce expenses. Cut unnecessary costs and identify areas where you can cut back, such as dining out less, canceling unused subscriptions, or finding cheaper alternatives. Step number 6 is increase income. Consider taking up part-time work or freelancing to boost your income. And now for the last step, we have stay disciplined. Avoid impulse purchases. Stick to your budget and avoid unplanned spending. Stay motivated. Keep your financial goals in mind to stay motivated and disciplined in your spending and saving habits. By following these steps, you can create a realistic budget, control your spending, and build a healthy saving habit. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more personal finance tips.